Shoulders. Where are your knees? Good. Good. Where are your toes? Good. Where is your head? Good. Where is your butt? Good, butt. Where are your hips? Hips. Do the ballerina. Jump 5 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Clap 4 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What?
4.
4. Touch the floor. Good. She had it. Good.